Nandun ba yan?
May card ako.
Okay, welcome to our second set for tonight. Our singer. Songwriter.
Iya, ulit niya eh. Bihir ka lang, may kanon po ang yun.
Ronaldo.
Lonely table just for
Bihir pa na, bihir.
and a
Basta ka lang na.
Hindi mo na mauwi.
while the music was beginning.
Bakit man ang imuha?
I
Sige na magpapak. Hindi mo mauwak ka. Ay, sa ilan na.
Amak, mali ako ang live. Uy, lagi mo ni background.
the music still the same. It was a sweet breeze.
Oh, baby, I used to be before she left the trees and all the standards. And baby, it's just passing by the
So here was a song
and the so
Still
always remember.
Why nakatulog?
Yung dati ka di ka makatulog.
French the band.
Why makatinda ni
Mami.
Balik.
Dili lagi na mauwi.
Kasi kami
Ayo kay live ba yan eh, live?
It's quite easy.
Ayun, dong.
Amin mo lulo.
Dali na, saka na.
Yung boy.
Ito, tito boy.
Lolo na rin mo ha, Lolo. Kamangura ng Lula. Dali, naman isa.
Lolo kay ayos. Kaon sa dira.
As it's passing by the window,
Sound sa dong.
she will hear all the songs.
Pasa ka mo, duty ka.
Anak ka na lagi makakita mo. Anak ka na lagi
Bless na na, bless.
Ano lang ba?
Mana.
Lugay pa naman yung silang balik. Puhod.
Iyan na po, na mo bless.
Bravo!
Because